Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share some tips how to speak in English and how to think in English because I am saying sometimes every people's when he will doing the conversation he will translate Hindi to English and he give stuck and I want to share some tips because I have sometimes problem and I face the problem. So I know very well how to think it English and how to convey front of any call. Let's start. Firstly, problems. Problem translate Hindi to English because some people and some student like for example, मैं market है then he will translate हिंदी टू इंग्लिश आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट आई एम गोइंग टू द पार्क मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ आई एम गोइंग टू द पार्क आई विल मैं कुछ खरीदूंगा आई वॉन्ट टू बाई समथिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ एवरी टाइम्स ही इज द thinking he did not think the English directly he did think only the translate Hindi to English it is not good for the every learner because when you are when you want to the learn and when you want to the fluent English and the learn new in language then you just think the English way you do not think the any way or the Hindi way so first first step is this as second step is start with small sentences you don't need to speak the more and big sentence you just speak or speak and the conversation is small for example you firstly you look at your surround what you are looking and what are you saying and what are you like having then you can express our word for example uh you are studying then you can say this is a maze this is a chair this is a laptop this is a mobile phone this is your copy just to practicing in our word in daily basis and you also conversation our routine daily basis in morning to late night and third step is a talk to talk to yourself English it just imagination your subconscious mind whatever you are uh, doing then you imagine it just imagination don't think in the Hindi to English you just think English terribly English and you don't afraid when I think in English and then I will mistake too much tiny you just think positive you are doing well and I'm not able to speak English but one day I'm able to speak in English just think positive thinking and during the conversation and speaking the conversation just think because when you are conversation in our mind and our opinion then you will realize your mind is releasing word and your mind is adopt new language and you can conversation or anyone gradually it will be improved for yourself so that's why I will say and what stop is a stop translating start feeling uh you don't translate to any word you just focus on the your English. You if someone person says something, then you just replied in the English. You don't think I am saying wrong way. Whatever you are saying, you just think I am saying right way. Otherwise, in otherwise you have no another option because when you are conversing anyone, then your English is going on very good just to think and don't and feel like nervousness and the stunned because it's happened initial time it's happened even native speaker is always sometimes a mistake but mistake is the part of life and mistake is your teachers you just focus on the your mistake whatever you are mistake remember what are your mistake, and next time you need to improvement in on ourselves. This is the most important thing. And fourth and the five thing is the huge mirror practice. Every beginner is the most of thing you use mirror the front of you. Firstly, when you are practicing front of mirror, then it is create to the your mind, it is create to the new word, and it is improved our confidence, and it is improved our fluency. Because and our even our fear is reducing every single day when you are practicing day by day. That's why I am saying you just practicing front of mirror. And then some people are saying how to practice in mirror. To quickly you look it up and you recall what did you do in a past time and what you want to future time, and you just describe. For example, I want to become a good speaker, I want to become a good public speaker, and first time I didn't speak, and first time I was not able to understanding English, but gradually I'm understanding. And even you can say I am practicing English day by day, and it is improve myself. And it just describe whatever you are looking and seeing, then just describe. For example, what mirror is our room side, and then you can say I am in the room. And as you know, this room is very beautiful, and this is a maze, this is a table. Just you conversation like that front top mirror, it is the most important of the every on person. And sixth point is the surround yourself with the English. Firstly, uh, whatever you are like looking and the seeing, you firstly note down in the English meaning. What is the English meaning? For example, you are you went to the market and you seen like grocery product, but everyone, some people are conversation good way, but he didn't know grocery word even single. For example, tomato, potato, and everything. Some people are not know about a product name, but you just remember and you just note down what is the meaning of life debt, what is the meaning of life debt. Just whatever you have, just you know about uh your products and everything. And after that, you you have these are every uh, word, and then you practicing day by day in our one word. If you have free time, then you can practice it day by day without any thinking. I am going bad, I didn't understand English and I cannot speak anyone. You do not think like that, you just think your voice to you and you compete. And again I am saying, the most important thing, you don't compare to anyone. We just focus on the yourself, and you looking for our sake. But how much you improved and how much you will give day by day, it is the most important. Otherwise you don't compare that person. That person was English very good. You even you do not see that person English very good because he gave so much time the English. That this is the he is a great learner and a great US publicer, we can say. And you will, if you will practicing day by day, one day you become a good speaker and good fellow. So friend, if you want to this type of content daily basis, then you can follow me and subscribe me, because I want to share daily basis experience, my experience, because I am not good a good English learner. Just I am improving day by day throughout the video recorded, because it is the I would say every person need to practicing this way, like the make a video and make a everything to just describe, and you can upload in the on the YouTube, and you can compare to after 2 or 3 months. Your self is a very important improve. That's why I am daily basis uploading the video in YouTube. Thank you so much. See you soon next video.